Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here today to do a 2-month lock update. As you can tell, I'm in a different filming area because the sunlight coming through the window in my office is extremely too bright. So I'm in my living room right now. So let's talk about this lock update. There has not been really too much going on since last week when I did my 4-week lock update. So Saturday I gave my husband his 50th birthday party and I danced all night. My head was soaking wet, so I had to retwist the front of my hair because it looked like a mop. But there has been minimal itching, except for that night. It was itching because it was real sweaty. But there's been minimal itching. I've only been using my rose water and I'll oil my scalp, and that's about it. I did use my aloe vera mix to retwist my hair, and the length you can't really see. It is growing, but you can't really see it. I can't wait until it starts falling. I am finding some buds, and let me show you. I have a couple of them, but there's one right here. Can you see that? That is one of my bigger buds, and I do have one right here in the back, and I have more than one, if you can tell. There's another one right there, but I have found quite a few buds, so my hair is starting to take form as locks. I don't know what I'm gonna have to research and see what the next stage is after budding, but I am finding quite a bit of bud since my last video. And I'm happy about that. People have been recognizing my hair as locks, and they are loving it. I was in the store the other day and a girl walked past me and she says, "I love your hair. Your locks are so pretty." That put a big smile on my face because they are being recognized as locks now. I did wear my hair in 2 different styles this week, half up and half down style, and the other one I put all of my hair up. Now we'll see if I can put some pictures in, because I didn't take too many pictures this week. I don't even know if I took pictures the day of my husband's party, but I will see if I have any pictures to put in. But as far as my lock update, I really don't have too much more to say. One of my ends, this end right here, the curls are starting to come out, so I'm going to have to, and I don't know if you can see that, but the curls are starting to come out at the end, and I'm going to probably comb this one out and recurl it because I do not want the ends to form locks. I want the ends to stay curly, so I'm going to mess with that one and see how it turns out. Hopefully I can get those curls back in there, but the other ones I still have the curls at the end, and that is what I want my hair to do. I want everything to lock on my hair but the ends of my hair. So really that is about it that's been going on with my locks. There has really been no change, except for it looks like it's thickening up to me. They're starting to look like they're getting fluffier, like I guess my locks are starting to thicken up. But other than that, that is about it. And this is the way I wear my hair most of the time because I love the way that it looks. Most of the time, if I do anything to my hair, it's going to be half up, half down, or I did put them all in a ponytail, and I can tell the length of my hair is really growing because of the stretch. It looks a lot different than the first time I put it in a half up, half down style. So there is progress there, and I cannot wait to see what the next month brings. Right now I'm happy with where I'm at. I love the style, I love the way it looks on me, and I will continue from here. What this journey has taught me is patience. I can't say that I have patience, but not a lot of patience, because I like to change my hairstyle, and this is the longest I've ever left my hair in one style. So it has taught me patience and how to rock this journey and see where it takes me, because this is something that I am wanting, and to have this style you will have to have patience. And just trust the process. So that's what I'm doing, and I am still loving this journey. So we will come back to you next week to see if there's been any update. Let me know if I should change this to a every 2-week video or if I should go once a month. Either way it goes, I'm still loving the journey and I'm loving the way my hair is looking. But if you can see some of the retwist, and really there has been no change in my hair. So there's been no change to my hair, and I did not cut my hair, and I did not have my hair shaped up or in a style. So when I did my hair and I found that it was in this shape, guys, I am loving this shape. I didn't have to cut it. I didn't do anything to it. Now, I did trim my hair every so often when I was natural to make sure that my ends were healthy, but other than that, I have never had it cut in the style or anything like that. But I do like the style that it's in. So that is all for this video, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification button so that you will be notified next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.